Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share this beautiful date night makeup tutorial with you. This is honestly my version of a date night makeup. So let's get started. First off, I've already done my eyebrows and my foundation. Starting off my eye makeup with the Burberry Eye Color Contour in the shade Midnight Brown. Definitely sweep that color all over your eyelids and then blend it out with a blending brush. Next, I'm using the brown shade from my favorite MAC palette, which is the Semi Sweet Times 9 palette. I'm going to be using that as my crease color. Next, I'm going to line my lower waterline with the L'Oreal Infallible Black eyeliner. Now I'm using the shade Violetta from my favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills Master Palette by Mario, and I'm going to use that color to smoke out my lower lash line. Now I'm using the shade Marina from the same palette, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone with this. I'm going to curl my eyelashes now. Then I'm going to use the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara in black. Now I'm going to finish off the rest of my face makeup. I'm starting off with the Rare Beauty Concealer to conceal my under eyes. I'm going to set my makeup using the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. For bronzer, I'll use the Guerlain Terracotta Bronzer, which is also one of my favorites. Blush, I'm just using a pink blush from an older palette from ColourPop. Now I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in the shade Hollywood Honey to line my lips. Then I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Medium lipstick. Now I'm going in with the ColourPop highlighter to just highlight my cheeks. So for a date night look, you do want to look very confident, very elegant. You want to play up your features a bit, but you definitely don't want the makeup to speak for yourself. You do want your personality shining through. So if you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, please make sure to follow me on all my socials, YouTube and Instagram, and hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye!